we have simplifying. Oh boy. 3/4 squared divided by 2/3 plus 5/6 minus 1/12. Okay? So again, simplifying always means following the order of operations. Parentheses. PEMDAS, right? Exponents. Multiplication, division. From left to right. Addition, subtraction. From left to right. Okay? So what does that mean? That means I need to do what's in the parentheses first. That's done. This is not done. So I need to do that first. So in other words, I need these to be the same. So I need to figure out what number does 3 and 6 both go into. It's lowest number. So again, 6 and 3. 3, 1, and 2, right? That's my LCM. 3 times 1 times 2, which is 6. Okay, so, well, 6 times 1 is 6. That's why that doesn't change. But 3 times 2 is, so now this one is 2 over 2 times 2 times 3, and I get 4 over 6 plus 5 over 6. So what's 4? Well, that's 4 plus 5 over 6. So that's 9 over 6. Okay? Minus 1 over 2. See how I'm doing this? I'm keeping this all in its row, so I'm taking up a lot of paper. You need to do the same thing. You do it on a separate piece. Take up the space. It's okay. Alright? Now what do? Parentheses are done. Exponents. Oh, I need to find my exponents right here. So then I do it. It's almost there, huh? Alright, so that's 3 over 4 times 3 over 4. So what is that? That's just the top times the top and the bottom times the bottom. So I've got 9 over 16 divided by 9 over 6 minus 1 over 2. So I take that and if I'm done it, I'm down to the bottom of my page. Move it to the other side of my page. 9 over 16 divided by 9 over 6 minus 1 over 2, or 1/12. Okay, now, again, I did parentheses, I did exponents. Now it's multiplication, division from left to right. Oh, bam, right there. So, what do? I see the division sign, which tells me to flip them. So it always flips that one. So I got 9 over 16 times 6 over 9. Okay? Now just worry about these guys. I'm just worrying about these. So now, the 9 goes into 9 once and once. 6 doesn't go into 16, but what does? 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 16 8 times. So now I have 3 times 1 and 1 times 8. So I have 3 over 8. And I bring this stuff down. Minus 1/12. Okay, so from there, I'm taking the 3/8 minus 1/12. Alright, so what does that mean? I've got to have these to be the same. They're minusing. So they have to be the same. thought my thing was shutting off. Okay, so they have to be the same. So what is that? That's 12, 8, and 12. So I need to find the lowest common multiple. So 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 goes into 12 3 times. Does anything go into 4 and 3? So my lowest common multiple is 2 times 4 times 3, which is 2 times 12. So 2 times 4 times 3, which is 2 times 12, which is 24. My LCD is 24. Okay? So, what does that tell me? I need to get to 24. 24. But how do I get 8 to 24? Remember, this is my LCD right here, right? LCD. So I can look at it and go, well, I'm trying to get 8. That's this, right? 2 times 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 times 3. And I do the same to the top as I do to the bottom. Okay? So 3 times 3 is 9. Then I have to do 12. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. So that means 2 times 12. 2. And 2. So now I've got 2 times 1 is 2. So now I have 9 minus 2, which is 7 over 24. And I think I'm done, but I'm not done. Because I need to make sure that 7 and 24 are reduced. So does 2 go into them? No. Remember, this 24 is right there. So all I have to do is go up to 5. 24 is in between 9 and 5. They're squares. The square of 3 and the square of 5. 9 and 25. So I just have to go, okay, 2 goes into 7 and 24? No. Does 3? No. Does 5? No. Once I get to the 5, I know that it can't be reduced. It's done. That's done. And I'm done. Okay? There you go.